So basically we're gonna go up this way, and this one is a college, and what I want to do next is we're gonna go all the way down, and then we're gonna follow kind of downhill a little bit. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we can kind of see all the details. Look at this place. And this one too. Dang. Kind of cool stuff. There's like a temple, little man. Kind of want to walk down that little side street there. It looks really interesting. It's easier walking downhill than uphill. Okay, so I think we're gonna Casada da Rocha. Huh. Then we're gonna end it right there. Rua de Santa Filomena. Huh. I think earlier I filmed. Oh, that's interesting. So Rua de Santa Filomena is connected to these other buildings down here. So I think I see how things are connected a little bit in a way I hadn't really seen before. So down here, earlier I did these other buildings that were kind of cool looking colors, and they're straight ahead. I think we're on the other side of it as well. So yeah, I think this is Rua de Filomena, and then there's a temple straight ahead. And you can also go, I was going to go down that, there's the college right there. I was going to go down this way. But now we're at this one place called Patio de Santa Filomena. And just to put some context, there's a temple down here. So we'll just kind of add everything, put everything together, because if you've been watching my other videos, then you saw me do a temple and then walk down these colorful buildings. So we'll just kind of connect everything a little bit. Thought they might be connected, but I hadn't really walked this in that particular way before. Huh. It's kind of cool. So yeah, the temple is up that way. So yeah, so earlier I did these buildings right here, all the way down. And then I also did this temple straight ahead. So yeah, these are all connected. I didn't know how those are connected before. Sometimes when you just wander around, you don't really know what you're gonna run into. So yeah, this is a whole temple right here. Okay. And now the light is hitting it just right too. So yeah, earlier we did this little alley as well, and then we did this one right here too. And I think we're gonna end it right kind of up near the college now. So now I kind of see how these things are connected a little bit. So so now I can see how Santa Square is connected to these little things, this little temple, stuff like that. Okay, and with that, I think we're gonna end it right here. Cool. And there's that college right there. And we'll just go up there and just so you can see how things are connected a little bit. And so that I can see it as well. So yeah, this is the Ricci one. All right. I hope that made sense to you, made sense to me. I'm just kind of connecting a couple neighborhoods that I didn't really see how they were put together very well. Now I do. All right. Send it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.